Welcome friends, this is Professor Suresh Ramanlokar. Now today we are going to study about the methods of preparation of aldehydes. Methods of preparation of aldehydes. You know that aldehydes are the carbonyl compound. They contain C double bond O2 as a functional group in their structure. So they are to be prepared by oxidation of alcohols. So the first method for the preparation of aldehyde is by oxidation of alcohols. You know that oxidation is nothing but the addition of nascent oxygen or O2 molecule. It is better to use nascent oxygen rather than O2 molecule during the oxidation of any compound. Generally, primary alcohols and secondary alcohols are used to prepare aldehydes and ketones on oxidation. As you know that the general formula for primary alcohol, क्या है primary alcohol का general formula? RCH2-OH. This is a primary alcohol. When this primary alcohol is to be oxidized, अगर इसको हम ऑक्सीडाइज करेंगे मतलब इसमें अगर नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन को ऐड किया जाएगा in presence of a mild oxidizing agent you should use, that is K2Cr2O7 in dilute H2SO4, that is also called acidified potassium dichromate. It is an oxidizing agent. Then what happens? This bond shifted here. Now this get negative charge, this get positive charge. So positive and negative come closer to each other for H2 and this nascent oxygen get combined and there is a removal of water molecule and now RCH, this single bond O is converted into double bond and no doubt it is the general formula for aldehydes. Means aldehydes are the oxidation products of primary alcohol. Just you have to take a secondary alcohol. As you know, secondary alcohol has two alkyl group attaches to carbon atom to which our OH group is to be attached. When the secondary alcohol undergo oxidation, also there is addition of nascent oxygen itself in the presence of same K2Cr2O7 in dilute H2SO4. It is itself act as a mild oxidizing agent. In this case also this bond shifted here. Now this hydrogen accept electron, positive negative come close to each other. There is a removal of water along with nascent oxygen and finally RC double bond O single bond. This bond shifted here. This carbon oxygen single bond is converted into double bond and this is a general formula for ketone and water is a byproduct. So simultaneously our interest is to study the preparation of aldehyde. हम aldehyde को prepare करना चाहते हैं लेकिन aldehyde and ketones both are carbonyl compound. They have a common carbonyl group in their structure. So by oxidation of primary alcohol using a mild oxidizing agent like acidified potassium dichromate, there is a formation of corresponding aldehyde. And by using a secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol is to be oxidized in presence of a mild oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate in dilute H2SO4, then there is corresponding ketone is to be obtained. This is a very familiar method. This is a very easy method, most widely used method to prepare the aldehydes. Just you have to take one of the example for our better understanding, for our convenience. ये एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसीलिए इसका एक एग्जाम्पल स्टडी करना है. सपोज दिस इज CH3 डैश OH. यू नो CH3 इज मिथाइल अल्कोहल. हमें मालूम है कि CH3 ग्रुप इज मिथाइल and it is called methyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of this is methanol. Okay. Now this is to be added with nascent oxygen, means oxidation can take place. This bond shifted here. Out of these three carbon hydrogen bond, one of the bond should be breaking. As hydrogen accept electron, get delta negative charge. Here loss of electron, delta positive charge. This carbon oxygen bond is single bond is converted into double bond. Now this H2 and O, again there is a removal of water as a byproduct and just you have to write the systematically double bond. ये हाइड्रोजन मैंने ऊपर लिखा, कोई बात नहीं क्योंकि कार्बन का जो वैलेंसी वो 4 है, राइट, हो गया 4. This is nothing but a formal The IUPAC name for the aldehyde, you know, ending E from the name of parent alkane is replaced by L. Means methanol is to be obtained. From methanol, we prepare methanol. This is the oxidation method. Suppose we take here the ethyl alcohol. As you know, CH3CH2OH. It is an ethyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol is ethanol. इथेनॉल है, इथेनॉल के अंदर अगर नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन को हमने ऐड किया, you know that the addition of nascent oxygen is called as oxidation. In presence of K2Cr2O7 in dilute H2SO4, it is an oxidizing agent. हमें oxidizing agent बदलना है तो यहाँ पर KMnO4 भी ले सकते हैं हम, that is potassium permanganate in dilute H2SO4. So rather K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4, you should use anyone, no problem. Okay, so now this bond structure here, negative and positive, they come closer to each other. Along with nascent oxygen, there is a formation of water, and now CH3, CH double bond O. This is acetaldehyde. The IUPAC name for acetaldehyde is ethanol. You know, ethanol से हमने ethanol को prepare किया. जिस तरह से मिथानॉल से मिथानॉल बना था, ठीक उसी तरह से इथेनॉल से इथेनॉल बनेगा. दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट, easiest method to prepare the aldehyde by the oxidation of primary alcohol. If you have any doubt, you are asked frankly. Clear? So this is oxidation of primary alcohol. अब सेकंड मेथड में हम aldehyde को prepare करेंगे by dehydrogenation of alcohol. You know, this is RCH2-OH. It is a formula for, general formula for primary alcohol. Primary alcohol का general formula है. इसको अगर copper catalyst यानी कि copper plate पर हाई टेम्परेचर 573 केल्विन टेम्परेचर को अगर हीट किया जाए तो यहाँ पर दिस बॉन्ड शिफ्टेड हियर एंड नाउ लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिटिव गेन ऑफ. देखो अगर यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड हो रहा है ये बॉन्ड शिफ्ट होने से तो कार्बन का वैलेंसी 5 होता है. कार्बन का वैलेंसी 5 नहीं होना, 4 ही होना है, बिकॉज कार्बन इज टेट्रावैलेंट. सो वन ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द हाइड्रोजन. सो अनइक्वल ब्रेकिंग कैन टेक प्लेस एंड नाउ दिस पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव हाइड्रोजन they get combined to liberate in the form of H2 gas. So friend, this reaction is called as dehydrogenation of alcohol. Dehydrogenation का मतलब है removal of hydrogen gas. हाइड्रोजन गैस रिमूव करने वाले रिएक्शन को हम dehydrogenation कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पर प्राइमरी अल्कोहल का dehydrogenation होने से aldehyde बना. Aldehyde is to be obtained. Okay, suppose for example we take the most primary example you have to take is this. This is a methyl alcohol. CH3OH is nothing but methyl alcohol. When this is to be copper plate 573 Kelvin temperature को heat करो. Clear? This is a negative. This is unsymmetrical bond fission. You know that this carbon oxygen hydrogen bond is located in between carbon and oxygen. So one of the extra bond is breaker by unsymmetrical way. So H negative and H positive they get combined to each other. There is a formation of H2 gas, and finally this will be the product and called as formaldehyde. The IUPAC name for formaldehyde is methanol. यानी कि यहाँ पर मिथानॉल से मिथानॉल बना है. कैसे बना? by removal of H2 gas. And you know that when H2 gas is to be removed from any reaction, then that particular reaction is called as dehydrogenation. अगर हमने इस हायर अल्कोहल लिया 2 कार्बन वाला, this is nothing but ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Okay, here also by heating in presence of copper plate or copper rod at about 573 Kelvin temperature, when this ethyl alcohol is passed over the heated copper plate at about 573 Kelvin, then there is also removal of H2 gas, and finally after dehydrogenation CH3 CH double bond O, This is called acetaldehyde, and IUPAC name for acetaldehyde is ethanol. So friend, these are the two method. पहले मेथड के अंदर हमने ऑक्सीडेशन किया है, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल को ऑक्सीडेशन किया तो एल्डिहाइड मिला। यहाँ पर प्राइमरी अल्कोहल का डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन किया है, रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस किया है। कॉपर प्लेट के ऊपर से प्राइमरी अल्कोहल्स को हम जब पास करेंगे 573 केल्विन टेम्परेचर को, तो वहां पर H2 गैस रिमूव होने से प्राइमरी अल्कोहल रिस्पेक्टिव करस्पॉन्डिंग एल्डिहाइड्स में कन्वर्ट होगा। सो दीज आर द टू मेथड्स फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड फ्रॉम द अल्कोहल। ओके फ्रेंड, इन नेक्स्ट lecture we will study about another methods of preparation. Thank you.